In this video, I will show you how to create shipping label on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to locate first our shipping label, we need to head over in here on our settings. Now in here, you can see in here the option for shipping and delivery. Now in here, you can see your shipping options as well as your order routing, expected delivery rate, and all of that. Make sure that your actual shipping is enabled just like this one. After you've done that, you'll just close this. And then in here, just head over in here to your orders. Now, any order that you have will appear in here. So what you can do is you can head in here to a new tab and search in here for apps at shopify.com. Now, in this new tab that will open, you can see in here the Shopify store. So let's just head over and log in here my store. So in here, once you have logged in the store that you want to integrate the app, just click on the search label and then just search in here for shipping label. So once you have searched for that, you should be able to see in here some search result. So in here, I recommend you to use this aftership shipping plus labels. So click on that. And then in here, just head over and click on install option. Then once you have clicked on that, it will open in here a new tab where it will ask you for access in order to successfully integrate this application to your Shopify. So just head over and click on this install option. Now, as you can see, it will ask for a 6-character code in order to connect the aftership to your Shopify. So just head over and get the code that they will mail you, and then head over and then put it right here and log in. So once you have done that, this will actually bind your Shopify to your aftership. So in here, you just head over and open your store. And then once you have done that, you should be able to sign in to your aftership. And you should see in here the dashboard for that. So this will be the look of the dashboard. You can head over in here to the pending payment or to this awaiting shipment. And then once you have head over and see any order that you have, you can print the label from there. So here's the order that I have. So what you can do in here is you can head over and then click on this particular label and it will open this one. You can see in here this create label. So click on this create label right here. But first you must specify your service as well as the package that you want for this particular thing. So for example, let's input in here the width and also the length right here. And then once you have entered in here the specific information that you have, you can create the label right here. And once you have done that, you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.